gentlemen, as you can see maybe by the footage earlier, we are in the little town of Lefroy, where my P.O. box is, and we're going to go in there. I have a piece of paper saying that I have a pickup, and I think I know who it's from. Could be all the way from British Columbia, Canada. So we're going to go in there. It just started pouring rain, so we'll try our best. Of course, as soon as you stop the car, it starts to rain even harder. Listen to that. Yeah. Lots of rain. We kind of need it, but I don't need it right now. All right, let's go in there and see what we got in the mail. Woo! We made it back in the car, ladies. Oh, took my glasses right off with that one. This is actually from San Diego, and it's from one of my very long time supporters named Vincent. So Vincent, when we get back home, we will open this box. It says that, it kind of gives me a little bit of a spoiler in here. It says we got some chips maybe. Oh, no, wait a second. Maybe it's chow mein mix something. Ah. When I first saw it, it looked like Chex mix or whatever. One of those bags of different chips or whatever in a bag. I think it's one of my wife's favorite things. But it might be something that we have to mix. Quantity 3. Nice little box. All right, let's move on. All right, so we're finished up here in Lefroy. Oh, there's the place that the mom and pop shop, Taste of Europe. Got to go back there again. Anyway, so we have to head on down to Bradford. I got to go to the pharmacist and pick up some more eye drops. The pressure in my eyes was high. It kind of keeps going down, and we're not 100% sure if it's because of this fasting or not. I have done some little bit of research on people that do fasting and their eyes, not their vision gets better, but the pressure in their eyes. So if you let the pressure in your eyes keep going as you get older, then you can get glaucoma, and it can be very dangerous for your vision. Anyway, so I've been on drops for the last 2 years, I think, and I'm thinking now that because the last time I went and had them tested, she's like, oh, they're down quite a bit from being regularly at a certain level and not in a dangerous level. We're trying to keep it at a certain pressure or lower with these eye drops. But now, because I'm fasting, it's already dropping. So I'm hoping over time, if I just keep this fasting going all the time, that I will be able to not use eye drops. Who wants eye drops? And then after I go and get that prescription filled, then I have to go to the chiropractor. If you remember, I mentioned that I hurt my back a few weeks ago. I wasn't sure if it was from sleeping in my car or putting Benjamin's bike up into the rafters of the garage. So I've tried physiotherapy, which helped out a lot. And then I've tried massage therapy, which helps a lot as well. Not as much as the physiotherapy, but it feels great. And then now I want to try some chiropractor and basically use all three to try and fix my problem. And once that's fixed, then we'll move on. Made it down to Bradford, Rexall. That's where I get my stuff. So I'm going to zip in there and I'll be right back. All right, I'm not sure what's been going on over the last year, but it always seems to be having a real hard time finding. There's only 2 companies that make the type of eye drops that I need, and one of them literally stopped making. It's been on back order for, I'd say, at least 9 to 10 months now, and I just can't get it. It's the best out of the 2. So the one that I want, they don't have it. Walmart might have it, so I'm going to go over to Walmart if I have time before my... Nope, I got to stay here because my chiropractor is just around the corner. So we'll do the chiropractor, and then we'll head to Walmart, see if they have the eye drops. Yeah, and then hopefully the chiropractor does what he needs to do to my back, make it better, make me feel, it just feels stiff, right? It just feels like my spine is fused. Need to do more stretches, and I don't know. I'm hoping the chiropractor can figure it out. All done the chiropractor. I'm not sure if you've ever been to a chiropractor or not, but my glasses are all fogged up. My back has been stiff all up the top and then down at the bottom, where you're supposed to be limber at a certain part of your back and then not limber in another part of your back. But because the part of my back that's supposed to be limber isn't limber, it's all kind of tight and stiff, it's making the transition from the limber stuff to the non-limber stuff, making that limber, and it's not supposed to be limber. So we're working on that, and getting adjusted just is freaky. Getting your neck is the worst, but when they tell you to put your arm over here, that arm over there, and put your knee up by your chest, and then they just kind of like sit on you and then crunch. Just that whole procedure just freaks me out every single time. I try to relax so much, but your body's just like, oh, this is gonna hurt, and it doesn't really hurt, but it just scares the crap out of me anyway. I just wanted to give you a quick update too. The moving Ben was very uneventful. Like, everything went smoothly. We got everything out of the one apartment into the other apartment. Then we helped him unpack a little bit and get some things organized, like, put his computer desk where he wanted to put his computer desk, and his schoolwork desk where he wanted to put his schoolwork desk, and his couch and his TVs and all that stuff. So we kind of got some things organized. Carol helped like unpack a lot of the kitchen stuff and just laid it out for him so he could put it away where he wanted to put it away. And so it was a good day. And then we just sat back, relaxed for a little bit, talked, and Carol brought some brioche buns and sandwich meats, lettuce, tomato, and all that stuff, and cheese, and sort of sat back, relaxed, and had like a nice little late night or late afternoon, early dinner, and enjoyed each other's company. So that was a lot of fun. I wasn't really, well, that part was fun, but moving isn't fun. My legs were exhausted by the end of it. I had done 60 flights of stairs from beginning to end of that day, and so that was on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. My legs still hurt. As of yesterday, if I told Carol, I go, if you punched my thigh right now, you would win. You'd win in a fight. I would pass out. That's how much pain they were in. Anyway, guys, what can I do now? I'm not sure. We've got that. I've got my mask. Make sure we'll go home, open this box, and we have to do a live show at 5. I don't know what time it is. The radio better not come on. It's 4:09, and so I got to get home, get the live show all set up, and I'm doing my special appreciation live stream for my members on the KBD Productions TV channel, and have some fun with them. And you guys are more than welcome anytime to come by and swing by. I think a lot of you guys who watch the vlogs also are members of KBD Productions TV or subscribers, and you're more than welcome to come by and check it out. Thanks for stopping. Let me know if you like this vlog. It's not super exciting. It's just me doing a bunch of stuff and getting my back cracked. Oh yeah, I gotta go to Walmart. That's what I had to do. Gotta hit Walmart up first, then we'll head home. Made it over to Walmart. If they say it's gonna be like 20 minutes, I'm just gonna have to get it going, and I'll have to pick it up tomorrow, I guess. Let's go. All right, guys, I need to finish off this vlog. Yesterday, after I went to Walmart, had to get home really quick, set up the whole live show thing and get that going, and then I forgot to finish off the vlog. But Vincent, I owe you this much to open this, at least to end the vlog off. Of course, see what's inside. Again, I think it's maybe a noodle thing or something that he likes in San Diego. Thanks again, Vincent. Oh boy, we got a letter from Vincent. I'm sending you some Nasan spicy chicken chow mein for you to do a food review video on it. Keep up the videos. Also, do you like the Toronto Blue Jays? Yes, I do. Or the San Diego Padres. Blue Jays, sorry buddy. I know you probably love the San Diego Padres. So we got this chicken chow mein. Check that out. And he also gave me Japanese, I'm guessing, no, that's not Japanese, that's something else. I don't know what language that is. Who wants to let me know what language that is? Oh, it's Korean. There you go. Check it out. Well, thank you very much. I'll put this, and we'll do this probably for a live show as opposed to a food video. So thank you very much, Vincent. If you guys want to send me something yourself, my address to send me stuff will be in the description below, but always email me first at kendomik@gmail.com. Let me know what you're bringing or what you're going to send to me before you send me anything. That would be most appreciated. Again, Vincent, thank you very much for sending me this. I actually have a few other items here from other people. We're gathering a bunch of stuff to do like a 3-hour live stream mukbang kind of thing. All right, guys, thank you very much. Thanks, Carol.